everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent. Today we're going to draw Dennis from the new Minecraft movie. Okay, let's get started. I want to start by drawing his snout. That line goes down like that. Okay, and then you're going to leave a space there and it's going to go down, around, and up a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to do another line here and down and up. All done. And then underneath here there's another line. It makes the bottom part of his mouth. Okay. And then let's do another line here that brings the bottom part of his snout. All right. Okay, let's do his nose. So his nose, it's going to be black nostril. And it's going to go around, up, back around, and then another nostril like that. Okay, and then this part we're going to go down to a peak and back up, and then just one little line there. All right, let's keep going. We're going to draw his eyes next. So this eye, his under part of his eye, just like that. Okay, there's another line here. This line goes up. These very boxy eyes. And then follow that line across. And then he has big bushy eyebrows. All right. And we'll do his inner pupil. All right, just like that. Okay, let's do the other eye. Across the same way. And then up a little bit. Then down, across, do his bushy eyebrow. All right, and then his pupil inside his pupil. All right, well done. Okay, let's start forming his face. Now it's very boxy. Everything's very boxy, but it still has a lot of little details of fur, okay? So as I go along, make sure to do your detail of fur, okay? Okay, and then we're going to go down straight. All right. All right. This line I'm going to make pretty straight and some more jaggedies and some more fur and then across. And I'll stop there so you can catch up. Okay, so I'm going to do his ears next. So it's the same. We're going to do his inner part of his ear first. All right. And then his outer part, very boxy again. It's very square-like. As we know, Minecraft's like that. Okay. And the inside, I'm going to do some fur, little fur spikes. Just like that. Okay, and we're going to do another one over here. And then the inner part. And then I'm going to do some more fur in here. Little pieces of hair, okay? Okay, I want to continue on. I'm going to do his collar next. It's a little bit more detailed, so stay with me. We're going to do one line like that. Now there's a line down. This connects his little tag in the front of his face with his name on it, okay? And this part goes back up and around. That's the strap. Okay, and the same here, but it's going to stop there. Stop there. And the same thing here, okay? And on a diagonal, this is like the buckle that goes around his collar. All right. There's also a line there that's the little buckle part. And then we're going to bring it up and up. And then back up like that. And then 3 dots like that. Okay. Well done, everyone. Okay, let's start forming the hair around his face, okay? So we're going to start up here. We're going to go some. All right. We're going to go right back underneath and stop it there. And then there's just one little line there of his fur. Well done. Okay, so we're going to do another layer here, but it's only going to go around back to here, and then we're going to start his legs. Okay, so it's the same thing. All right. Well done, everyone. All right. Now this is going on a diagonal, a little bit of a slant, and this is his back leg, which is going to come down to there. Okay, and then keep bringing it back. In a little bit. And now these are going to be his toes. So in around like that. Another one. And then that one goes back up like that. And then we're going to bring it right back up to about here, okay? All right, that's like his back leg. This is the same, he has his leg behind here. So there's a few. Now, if you can get that shape. All right. And then you want this shape to go to here. Actually down a little bit farther. And then that's going to go straight down like that. This line's going to go in front of here because that's one of his toes, and then there's going to be another toe behind here like that, okay? And then this toe is, that's still a toe. And there's going to be one more right here, okay? His paw. And you can connect all those lines. Well done. All right, let's keep going. We're going to do his paw and his front. One of his paws is kind of hanging, so we're going to bring it out in the front like that, and it curves. That's his front. All right. And then this line, you can bring it like that, and then some fur. All right. Let's do this last paw here. Then do this one. Whenever you're doing paws or hands, it's always easier to start in the back one. Like that. And this one's going to go up and around. And then the last one is just going to go up like that. All right, let's just finish him off by doing his tail. So his tail goes up, some furry bits in the end, and back down. Now I am going to add some more details after I color. It'll be a lot easier. I'm going to do some lines in his face and things like that. And I'm going to do some more dots in his face. All right, that's our dentist drawn. Let's color him in. If you want to pause the video at the end, I'll show you what colors I've used. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tiny Talent and drawing this very cool dentist from the new Minecraft movie. See you next time. Bye.